Hey friends, and happy Wednesday. I don't know if you quite know this, but today is your last official day of work for school this year. Wow, this has gone by really fast and it's been really weird these last few months, and I'm really sorry about all that. But thank you for being strong and doing your work for Miss Amy. The work you're turning in just makes my heart so happy, and I am so thankful that you're trying your best every day. I thank you for pushing through even when things were different and unique. You guys are just the best, and I cannot wait to get to see some of you tomorrow. All right, we're finishing up our surfing into summer countdown. Today is Wednesday the 13th, and it is games and gum. So I sent home a card game for you to play today with someone and some gum for you to share while you are enjoying your game. So I hope that that is fun for you, and I am ready for our last day of work. All right, so today you should have your English language arts page, reading page that looks like this, says plot. All right, we've done one of these before since we've been on break. And so remember, plot is what happens in the beginning, the middle, and the end of the story. Remember, in a story, as we go on and read third grade and fourth grade books, our plots can get more intense. We can have more than one plot in a story. We can have more than one really exciting part of one plot in a story. So it does get a lot more intricate, complicated as we go on as good readers, but it's good for us to be able to identify and say, what is the sequence of the story? What happened at the beginning? What happened in the middle? What happened at the end? So that we can better understand what we're reading. All right, today I am asking you to watch a quick little video that I have linked for you as well. And it is Froggy Learns to Swim. So I didn't have this book, and I kind of wanted to use this book, so I chose to find someone else reading it on YouTube. And so they are reading it for you. And I want you to use this to help tell me what happened in the beginning of the story, what happened at the middle of the story. The middle is, remember, that high peak point that it's like, wow, something big, something important kind of happens. And then the end is kind of how it all works out. All right, so make sure that you tell me a good sentence to tell me what happened at the beginning of Froggy Learns to Swim, the middle, and the end of the story. All right, I can't wait to read your good sentences, and I hope you really enjoyed the story. All right, so you're gonna have to pause this, go watch that video, or if you've already watched that video, I'm not sure how it worked out for you, but make sure that you've seen the video Froggy Learns to Swim so that you can fill out this graphic organizer for me, okay? All right, great job. Whenever you're finished, you're gonna pause this, or if you're ready, we're gonna get ready to do our last page of math today. All right, friends, we're doing one more number sense day. Today we're doing the number 406. All right. So the first thing they're asking us to do is to write an expanded form. We've done a couple of these now. Feel really confident you know what to do. The only thing that might throw a little trick for you today is our tens place. You're right. There's nothing there. Is that okay? Sure. We can hold it with a 0. Glad to do it. Can we hold ones with place with a 0? Sure can. I don't mind getting $50 bills or $100 bills, right? They're definitely getting their place value held with zeros, but they still are really important. So we can definitely hold our place with a 0. So just be mindful of that. Okay, and then the next one right beside of it, it says color the largest number below. So it doesn't matter what color you choose to me, you're just looking for the number that is the greatest out of those numbers. And if you'll notice, all of them have the same hundreds place value. So what does that mean when we're looking for the next number that would let us know which is the largest? That's right, we're gonna go to the tens place. So we're gonna look in the tens place and find the tens that is the largest to let us know which number is the largest number. Now, sometimes this is not the case, but if our tens were the same, we could even go all the way to the ones to find out, but you don't have to do that today. You will be able to find the largest number by just looking at the tens place. All right, the next group asks us to add the numbers by adding the hundreds, tens, and ones. They're just asking us to break apart our number and then put it all back together, okay? So you can go ahead and add those for me and then tell me the entire total once you're finished. So for the first one, you're gonna add the hundreds, add the tens, add the ones. You're gonna put that right on the answers below that. And then you're gonna still put all of that together to give me the total for the answer. You have 3 of those to do for me today. All right, and then the next group says, write the number to match the number word written. So you have word form, and you're gonna write it in its standard form, which is the way that we always see a number. Standard form is just the way we normally write it. So when we see 722, the way we normally see it is 722, and that's what you're gonna write for standard form, writing it how we would normally see it. Okay, then the next group say write the numbers that are shown in expanded form. So these are already in expanded form, and we're just gonna put them all back together in standard form. So the first one, we have 778. When we put it all together, we're gonna have the number 778, and we just write that in standard form, 778 on the line. And then there's one more section over here at the side that we're gonna finish up. It says count by hundreds from the number 6 all the way to 906. So we're gonna count by hundreds starting at the number 6. So if we start at 6 and we count by hundreds, our next number will be 106, okay? So you're gonna write that one right below the number 6, 106, and then each time the number is gonna grow only by hundreds until you get to the number 900, okay? Awesome. I know you guys are going to show me some beautiful work. I cannot wait to see how well you've done with all your number sense. If you'll notice, these 2 weeks have been a lot of just review. We're trying to go back and review as much as we can on some things that we've talked about all year. And that's usually what May looks like when we're in the classroom too. So I'm thankful that I still got to do those things with you, even though I had to do it through a computer, which is not the best way to do it, but I'm thankful that I still get to. Like I said, I look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow if you're able to make it. If not, maybe we can do a quick little video hi, whatever we need to do to make sure that we all get to say hello to you. I hope you are having a great day, and I will see you tomorrow.